Hi guys, welcome to Technical Trading Learn and Earn. You know that today is Saturday and we'll have OTC market now, and be careful when you're trading in a OTC markets. Okay, and I suggest you to trade in a momentum. Okay, trade along with the momentum in a OTC market. It's a good tip I can give you. Hope it will help you. Okay, let me start with. Will you think it will be a green candle or a red candle for this? Okay, I took your call option. There is specific reason why did I take a call option, and I'll explain. And the first reason is, if you observe here, it is an uptrend. Okay, just a second. Okay, if you observe this is the uptrend, and here this can made a new high, and it's a uptrend. The market will go like this, and next sellers are here, so we can already the buyers entered, and so we can go with the buyers. Okay, so we won first trade, and can't trade here because we can't predict well. Just always select the market which you can trade or you can predict the candle well. Okay, it will help you a lot. Everyone will have his own strategy or the own method of trading. Okay, so you also need to make your own strategy. Nothing like a strategy. It will come if you practice it well. You will going to know what how to trade at what time to trade. Okay, if you practice it well, then you will going to succeed in that. Okay, this is a downtrend, and if you observe this, it's made a spinning top. So let us wait for the next candle. Let us select some other currency pair. If you observe this, don't trade in these type of situations. Okay, it may leads you to loss. If this is a red candle or a green candle, if this is a red, I will continue with the sellers, and if this is a green, I will go with the buyers. Okay, I took your call option. I will explain just a 2 seconds. Let me check some other currency pairs. It will going to be a green candle, no problem. And remember, if you find that you can find, you can see here the long candles. If you find these abnormal candles, we can call it as abnormal candle. Okay, this is not a healthy candle. The healthy candles are will look like this. Wait, yeah, the healthy candles will look like this. Okay, if you find the abnormal candle like this, don't predict the next candle of that candle. We want this too. Okay, don't predict the very next candle of these long candles. It may become a positive thing, or it may become quite opposite to a prediction. Okay, so always try to place if you find the healthy candles like this. Okay, you see there are big candles over here. We can't predict it well. Okay. And one more thing I need to ask you that whether when you are placing a trade, will you look for a particular reason or will you look for, okay, this candle is red, then the next candle is going to become a green, like that? If you follow the second scenario that that I told you, that uh, I mean the following of some unknown or okay, I took your put option. I mean, the following of some unknown, okay, this candle is red, and the next candle will going to be a green candle. It's not work like that. Okay, don't fall for that, and always think that if you need to place a trade, then you need to have a particular or a suitable reason. Okay, without a particular or a suitable reason, you can't trade or you can't place a trade. Why? Because if you observe here, okay, if you observe here, okay, this is a red candle. Okay, I will going to place the next as a red candle. It didn't become a red candle, but it became a green candle, quite opposite to your prediction. Then you lost it, right? Of course, you lost it. Then okay, we won this too. Then what you will going to do? Okay, if you predicted it as it will going to be as a red candle, but it become a green candle. But always think that losses are common. Okay, but you can't make the losses as your intentional, right? So you need to avoid those losses. You can avoid those losses with your practice and with the patience. Okay, patience and practice is must for the trading, and you need to have a confidence that you can do it. Only then you can succeed in your trading. Okay, now I will take my put option with I will take my put option with marginal safety. Okay, I took here put option with the marginal safety because it may become a green candle or it may become a red candle. But if it become a green candle, it will going to become a green candle like this or like this, a small green candle, not have this much. The body of the candle won't become a this much uh, big. Okay, so we can expect it as a doji or a spring top candle. Even though it become a green candle, it will going to become like this, or otherwise it's going to become a red candle. So I took a marginal safety. So make sure to take the marginal safeties. Only then you will going to be in a profit side in many in many cases or many scenarios. Okay, we won this. We won this successfully in our fourth trade.